Why do 90% of burger lovers swear by smash burgers? Let's find out. Today we're diving into the delicious world of smash burgers. What makes them so special? It's all about that crispy, caramelized crust and juicy center. First, you gotta start with quality ground beef. Roll them into balls, about the size of a golf ball. Now, heat up your skillet. We want it sizzling hot. Here's the fun part. Place the beef balls on the skillet and smash them down with a spatula. Hear that sizzle? That's flavor in the making. Season with salt and pepper, and let them cook just a couple minutes per side. Stack them up with your favorite toppings, grab a bun, and voila! You've got a smash burger that's crispy, juicy, and oh so delicious. Give it a try and let us know how it goes. Stay hungry, my friends!